G'day everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own passion fruit vodka at home. All you'll need is some passion fruits and some vodka, and then you can make yourself some infused passion fruit vodka to enjoy. I'm using a golden passion fruit variety, but you can use the normal traditional purple passion fruit if you would like. I'm just using this variety because I'm growing them at home. The alcohol I'm using is this 40% alcohol or 80 proof alcohol, and it's just a basic vodka. The jar I'm using is this 500ml jar. It's made for pickling. I like it because it's got a nice wide mouth to be able to put the passion fruit in when I've cut it up. You can use bottles if you wish. And the ratio is 4 passion fruits to 500ml jar or container. So now we've got this much in the jar. Doesn't look like much, but what's going to happen is we're going to fill it up with vodka and then let this sit for 1 week. Alright, so now the hard part is done. We've put the passion fruit in with the vodka. It's going to infuse now. So what you need to do is let it infuse on your kitchen bench for a week. No more than that, because it will start to ferment and you don't want that. So after a week, all of the flavour is going to infuse into the vodka and it's going to be ready for straining. So it does take a little bit of patience having to wait a whole week before you can tuck into this. But if you really wanted to, you could probably start drinking it now. But for optimum flavour, just let it sit on your kitchen bench for a week to rest and then strain before bottling it and then serving. Hey, so it's been a week now and this has been sitting here just on the kitchen bench, and as you can see it started to separate a bit there, but it's looking pretty good. I have been giving it a bit of a stir every now and then, and look at that, it looks amazing. And if I open this up, let's have a smell. That smells really good. It's really good infusion to have all of that passion fruit flavour come through. A point to know as well with the vodka, you don't need premium quality vodka. You can just get the cheap stuff because you're going to be flavouring it full of your passion fruit juice anyway. So you can get anything. But anyway, now that that has been sitting for a week, I need to strain all of those seeds out. So I've got myself a funnel, a bottle to collect it in, and a chucks cloth. So we're going to need to wash this first. It helps with the filtration, and then we'll put it in the filter. So I've just folded this over in half. We'll put it over there and just push it down, and you got yourself a nice filter. The reason you want to start off with a chucks cloth is it's full of larger holes, so it will stop all of the pulp and the seeds, but you'll still have the passion fruit flavour that's in there floating around as fine little molecules sort of thing. You still want them in there because that contains all of your flavour. So now we can just pour this through here. Now obviously if you poured this through a coffee filter, you would risk getting all of your flavour that you've infused and getting that stuck in your filter versus in your passion fruit vodka. And it's coming through here. Oh no, we've got a bug. We'll filter that out and get him out, but that's essentially it. You just will strain through here, and it'll take a little bit, but we'll see how it goes. So I've poured that back in there. I'm just doing a bit of a double filtration, I guess, get that insect out of it. Not sure how it got in there. I think it was in the bottle before I filled it up. So, yep, insect is in there now. But the chucks cloth will do its job and it won't get in there. Oops. Be careful when if you overfill this as well, because you don't want your vodka to spill out because you're just wasting it. But yeah, it's pouring through now. And you could see that probably a quarter of the jar will be all of your pulp and your seeds, which won't end up in your final product. So you can always top this up with more vodka if you would like, or just make a bigger batch if you've got a larger jar. It's as simple as that. And you can squeeze your filter through, get all of that goodness out of it. Hopefully no insects. So I've probably got maybe 350 mils, maybe 400 mils out of the original 500 ml jar, now that I've taken out all of the pulp. So that is good enough now to drink. What you can do is you can add more vodka to this to bring up the quantity to fill your bottle. You can add sugar to it. You could just drink it as it is, or you can add water if you wanted to water it down for many drinks to have on a hot summer's day without getting too drunk. And there we go. That's how you make yourself some passion fruit vodka. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Leave a comment and a thumbs up and let us know how you go trying it yourself at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.